Oh, this is cute. Let's take a little close look at this. Very nice. Oh yeah, Corvette. Beautiful car. Well done, sir. Or madam. Whomever you are. What is up, ladies and gents? I feel like I'm already going to have to apologize for the audio quality today because I am trying to test out where exactly to put my microphone in my new helmet. Right now, I have no stinking clue how it sounds, so this is just kind of like a little audio test. There's a lot less room in this this helmet at the peak of the helmet, so it's kind of like resting right up against my chin, and I'm wondering if that's going to cause problems with the way the audio sounds. Well, I thought I'd just do a little cruise around Williamsburg, but good God, it just seems like everyone and their mother is out today. Don't blame everyone. Don't blame everyone at all. It's a beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees right now. It's like the first really, truly beautiful, beautiful day. And here's Triumph, Brooklyn. Some of my best buds work here. Oh, check that dude out. Damn, everyone's just being hooligans. Everyone is out. Yo. Join the fun. Get vaccinated. We'll do a stop sign, and then we'll go. Because screw all of this. Whee! Okay. Alright. Let's not try to make a useless vlog here. Let's make a useful one. So how is everyone doing? How is everyone doing? So today, before I left for the vlog, before I actually started recording, this bro pulled up at the garage who is friends with Adam. Dude pulled up in a frickin' McLaren. I'm gonna post a picture that I took right now. It was, oh my God, so unbelievably gorgeous. Look at this douchebag. Alright, I need to find the highway because I am full of piss and vinegar right now. Alright, let's jump on the highway and let's see if I can have... Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You're kidding. Awesome. Okay. Great. Yo, the weather changes and like freaking everything just goes to freaking hell. You know, that's why it's good to have these like little lane splitter-esque mirrors. You can kind of do your thing. Minimal intrusion. Ay, good Lord. All right. I just want to chill. I just want to chill and cruise. It doesn't look like I'm going to get that wish. So, we'll chill out. We'll chillax. Do our own thing. Arga, arga, arga. Everyone's out on the frickin' roads. Everyone's out doing their thing today, and I do not blame anyone whatsoever, because I'm out doing the exact same thing. I just hope that I don't run into the popo whilst just trying to have a good time. You know what I mean? Because I'm just out here going for a ride. That's all I want to do. I was trying to get everyone to go out and maybe go to Coney Island or go to you know, a nice beach today, like the Rockaway beaches or something like that. And everyone just was like, no. I'm sitting on my balcony. Like, no one wanted to go for a ride. All I could think about today was just like getting out, not sitting in my apartment and not being a lump. Oh, this is cute. Let's take a little close look at this. Very nice. Oh yeah, Corvette. Beautiful car. Well done, sir. Or madam. Whomever you are. Every now and then you see some cool shit, you know, while you're riding around. Not like that, but... Alright, let's get off this fucking highway and get over to the other side where we can actually give it some beans. Because daddy needs some beans. That's the whole reason I'm out here. I don't care what you're doing, bro. Nice. Okay. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's let this bike cool off. My goodness. This bike is running hot. Here we go. Nice. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yo, guys, I have some like really, really good videos that I'm actually like kind of proud of that I'm about to release. I don't know if I'll put this one out before some of the other ones, but like I have a helmet setup video that's just freaking hilarious. And it's not very long either. It's just kind of like a beautiful mix of me hanging with my buds and having a good time putting my helmet together. It's kind of just a really hilarious video. Oh, I hope the audio on this is okay. Might actually have to find a different microphone. I don't know if this is actually going to work long term. It's not exactly the most comfortable feeling with the mic being right up against my chin and my mouth. Daddy likey. Yo, the reaction to that last video where I named my bike is so freaking hilarious. People are like, Daddy? Seriously? You're gonna name your bike Daddy? Are you gonna go for a ride on Daddy? And yeah. You know what? The bike earns the name it receives, you know? My last bike was a slow pedestrian bike, and this one sounds just stupid, you know. So my last bike was named Pearl because it was, you know, super pedestrian, like a little grandmother named Pearl. This bike deserved a little bit more. Daddy just sounded appropriate. Oh, I love this neighborhood. I seriously love this neighborhood. This is like a really super popular part of Brooklyn, of all of New York. And some just absolutely drop-dead beautiful people live in this area. when the weather gets nice and the women, you know, wear their shorter clothing, I can't help but take notice. So, you know, I apologize for being a sexist. I guess that would make me a sexist. I guess I just think it kind of just makes me a normal human male. I'm not a cat caller. I'm not like going, yo baby, yo looking good, yo, hey, how you doing? You know, I'm not doing that shit. But I do take notice. I do take notice. So now we're on Graham Avenue. We're heading towards my apartment. You know, when I was looking at apartments, I was trying to find things like in this area because I wanted to have like a short little commute to the garage. And it's still a short commute. It's a short commute. But I really wasn't able to find anything too close. So I guess what we'll do is take a quick ride by my place, and then we'll circle back and go back towards the garage. Okay, so I live right over there. You don't get to have my address, but I live over there. Now we'll go over to Manhattan Avenue and we'll do our thing. Heading back. Manhattan Avenue is always actually a little bit faster than if I were to be riding on Graham Avenue. You don't get to see as many people, but you know, this is definitely the faster route of the two. Nice little SV 650 there. Nice little skateboarder. Yo, there's a skateboard park right here, and I do want to actually get a skateboard. Can't get back into it, but check out this park. It's pretty freaking dope. Got little half pipes, grind stations. Beautiful. What a lovely, lovely thing to see. Oh, don't make me turn. Don't make me turn. Arg. I think I could probably just go this way. Not disturb too many people. Not bothering anyone doing this. Look, it drives itself. Just kidding. No, it doesn't. Yo, spring has definitely sprung. And today, oh my god, what a freaking gorgeous day. Just a beautiful blessing of a day. Alright, let's stop and get some beer and then go to the shop. Yeah, perfect. That's the plan. I will definitely see you later, brother. Oh yeah, we'll be coming by. 100%. My goodness. The women. I keep vacillating, going back and forth whether or not I needed to start dating again. I really don't need to be dating. I'm quite happy doing my thing, being my own man. But I keep meeting a lot of really cool people, really cool women. And I always feel like, well, I'd be dumb not to want to hang out with them and get to know them. I also don't want to have a reputation of being a player or a ladies' man or anything like that. So I do tend to kind of keep to myself a little bit. Well, not really keep to myself, but just not necessarily pursue some of the opportunities that maybe I may or may not have. I love it when little kids love the sound of a motorcycle. It gives me little stirrings in my heart, you know? Because I had those same feelings when I was a little boy, listening to Harleys drive by and being like, wow, those guys are freaking cool. Alright, well, I think today is oh my goodness, what a weird vlog. This is definitely a super weird vlog, right? Oh my god. Just literally riding around, being a little bit of a hooligan, talking about women. What the hell? What am I doing? Oh my god. And with that, guys, the vlog is coming to a close. I freaking love you guys. I really do. I can't thank you everyone enough that's subscribed recently, that's begun to support my channel. So the fact that you guys are interested and you watch and you comment and you like and you've subscribed is means the world to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I truly appreciate it. Until we meet again on the next vlog, I love you guys.